Tapos na ang singing portion, kaya ano na tayo. Magsa-start na yung prayer meeting natin. Thank you very much. That was my last song. Thank you for coming. I hope you're enjoying the night. I'm preparing some singers before me, so I hope that you'll enjoy the night. Meron na a few more songs before we I'm so glad to see all of you. I have so many friends who are here. Kaya kayo natunog kasi puro mga friends ko eh. After tonight, malalaman natin kung friends pa rin kami. Hindi.
I love you!
May mga kids dito.
I love you too!
Thank you for coming. And thank you to all of you here in front also. Who took the time to come here and spend the night with us. Alam kung marami kayong pwede ibang puntaan, but you chose to come here and support us. Thank you for always supporting Be Careful With My Heart. We hope to give you more and more inspirational and healing episodes in the future. Next one, please.
Yeah.